Here's your Easter basket.
And my new squeakies.
They're Cinderella squinkies.
Open them.
Wait, check the rest of your basket.
There's Peter Rabbit.
Yeah.
He was in there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. This could be the, here, put this up here. Put this up here.
Where do you want it?
Up there.
You want it there? Did you know this is chocolate rabbit? And you want it up on the by the fireplace? Okay, we'll do that later.
And he brought me a bunny book.
Yeah.
And he brought me streamers.
No, that's Easter grass. It's messy. Do you see that little yellow thing? This? Blow on it. The yellow. See the yellow thing with the string? You see it? Blow on it. No. Blow on this part. This part. Right here. See? A duck! You're a duck. Do it again. That's fun. And it looks like a duck bill. Look. See? It looks like Donald Duck. You put your eggs in there?
Do these have candy in them?
I think so. I think they're lollipops.
Oh. We found all the Easter eggs. Now we can open them. It shakes. That's a little bumping sound. Look how it turns.
Yeah.
That one turns too. Wait, that one's broken. Ooh, these could be Easter eggs can belong to Mommy
Really?
and my cousins. I can give Kate some. I can give some Kate. I'm gonna share with them.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm gonna give Kate some, and Ashley some, and Brock some, and Courtney some, and Wendy some, and Travis.
Aw.
I give all of my cousins. And I'm gonna give Mommy a Easter egg.
That's nice.
I'm gonna buy an Easter egg. And Daddy get these. Look at all the streamers on them. These are called streamers.
Okay.
They're called streamers. I love Easter. I love Easter.
Aww.